Welcome to this Rodrozen design and build video update of our Alberni Vista project. We are on the final stretch here. Everything is coming to a finish very shortly. As you can see, we've already got some features in place, such as this beautiful fireplace on top of this TV system here that we've got going on. Behind me over here, we've got a beautiful Cambria quartz countertop has been installed, and it's a beautiful oversized kitchen countertop, which is a real impressive feature piece of this design and build. The millwork's just been completed as we speak as well, and that's looking pretty stunning. We've got electrical going in at the moment. We've got lots of strip lighting, LED pot lights, and some beautiful chandeliers going in, as well as some tiling and backslash. And we are going to be finishing this project very shortly. We can't wait to bring you the final reveal when we show you that very shortly.